Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. I am so excited. It is Valentine's month and it is the month of love, and I'm very excited. So first of all, I just want to say I hope this month brings you lots of love, lots of joy. And I know that everyone has been struggling for about a year now, and that I know it was very hard for people to get out there and to find love and to put themselves out there. So I'm really hoping that if you're listening to this video that you will find your love, and if you're in a relationship, congratulations, and I hope you guys have a fantastic time. So let's get into it. So today I thought of making a video of how I would do my makeup when I go on a date. So while I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna answer some questions on some dates I've had, the best ones, the worst ones, the funny ones, what I would do for my dream date, and all of those things I'll discuss with you guys. I already have foundation on, I already have concealer on, I have bronzer on, I have I think that's it. So yeah, I think that is what I have on, and I've already done my eyebrows. So today is gonna be an eye, and it's gonna be a lip and a little blush, and yeah, you can see what I look like out and about. Let's get into it. What I'm gonna first do is I'm gonna use this palette. This palette is bomb. Check this out. Look at those colors. So what I'm gonna try and do is, I can see already I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use probably like these darker, a little bit more browny, a little bit more moody colors. So I will use those. Okay, so the first brush that I will use is this one. I don't know if it can focus. So this brush is like my go-to brush, and I use this for everything. All right, so let's get going. Now, for me, I haven't been personally on a lot of dates. Like I used to, I don't know, I just used to hang out with a lot of people in a lot of places, and then that was kind of like my dates and what I saw as dates. Okay, so I would say when I really started dating, it was in China. It was a few years ago. And my first date in China was me and a guy. We drove on a motorcycle through the town, and it was super adventurous. We stopped at every single restaurant, every single coffee shop. It was really exciting. And yeah, we were just having so much fun and just driving around and seeing the whole town, which we both lived in, or he lived in a little bit further away from me. But anyway, so that was like my first date, and I would say that was quite epic, and I really hope that that gets topped soon. And yeah, so that was my first date. Okay guys, so I finished with just a basic brown. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more darkness, a little bit more gradient, a little bit more smokiness to the eye. And yeah, for my worst date, I would say I've ever had, that one was really quite recently. So me and the guy, we had the best time. Oh, I met him online. We had the best chats. We were like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing, and this is the best like thing that has happened in a while. But this has only been on phone, right? So we haven't met each other since then. And all of a sudden, I said to him like, oh no, we have to go and meet each other. It's the right thing to do, you know, because I don't want to get more like, I don't know. For me, I would like to see people before I make a decision. That's just me. So I had to do that. That was the next step that had to be done. All right, so guys, you can see I'm just still following the same pattern. I'm just on the outside. Let me put my hair here. But on the outside, I'm just like making it a little bit more gradient. Okay. So now I'm gonna take what I've put up here, I'm gonna put a little bit underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna take a smaller brush and then we're gonna do that. Like this small. That's cute. Okay, so I just put this here. All right. So this guy, we went on a date and he, when the date even started, he didn't look at me once. He was literally sitting across from me, staring at the table. So this was, yeah, I mean, like, I literally, it was so bad. Like, I was sitting like this and rolling my eyes. He didn't even see that. And I was like, what is happening? So I don't know if you guys have had those dates where you had a great chat online and then when you meet the person, they're like, they froze and they're not the person you thought they were. So that happened to me, unfortunately. Next, I'm gonna go in with this dark color. You see that one? Ooh, really nice. So I've basically made the shape and the colors. I've put all the colors on my face. But now what I want to do is I want to make it a little bit more smoky. And if I see that there needs to be more, because I'm gonna brush it out, if there needs to be any more color, I'm just gonna add more onto it. What are my thoughts about Valentine's Day? Well, I feel like Valentine's Day has always been a little strange to me. I've had a lot of secret admirers over the years that just gave me random gifts and I've never known who they are. Still up to this date, I still don't know who they are. If you're out there and you've been that guy, please contact me. Otherwise, yeah. I feel like Valentine's Day is fantastic. I think it's a great holiday to share love and all of that stuff. So I'm just adding a little more dark eyeshadow just to make it a little bit more smoky. As you can see, I'm going down here and I'm using quite like a rounded brush so to blend it out nicely. Yeah, look, just adding more color as we go. So yeah, I feel like Valentine's Day has been a strange one for me, but I am much open to the holiday. I have nothing negative to say about it, even though I don't have someone right now. I am single. As you guys can see, it's really quite smoky, sexy, it's good. So I feel like I'm just gonna put a little white up here and we're gonna move on to eyeliner. Put on some mascara, blush, lip, and then we're done. I'm gonna use this one. It's a little sparkly and shiny and shimmery. It's amazing. I really love it. So yeah, what I would say of my dream date. What would I say would I do? I'm a very spontaneous person. Like everything I do is quite, it's never thought out. Like not even my YouTube videos, like nothing is really thought out. It's just what I want to do in the moment more. So I feel like my dates would kind of be that way too. We have to think of the next thing on the, like we have to plan the night throughout the night. I feel like it shouldn't be a planned out date. Chilling somewhere with a bottle of wine, just you two, like in a car's boot or something, or just like hanging out in a car watching over a cliff or stuff like that. Like I prefer things like that way more. Okay guys, I've put on some eyeliner, I've put on some a little bit of highlighter, and I'm gonna put on blush now. And I just want to say, yeah, so I would say like my best date would for sure be just something very spontaneous. And yeah, I've been through some crazy dates. I've been through some, you know, adventurous dates. I've been through dates that were so boring. I've been through some dates. I've just put a little blush here, a little blush here, a little blush everywhere, kind of just to make myself look quite awake. And let's do a lip. So I'm just gonna do this little gloss, nothing special, because I feel like if you have a really dark eye, you need to go a little bit lighter with everything else so you don't look like, yeah, But I hope that 2021 will bring good vibes for me in terms of love. I hope that I find someone really, someone that I see worth my time and worth, you know, sharing your life with. I feel like there's some good guys out there, but I have not met my one. So guys, this is kind of the look. This is what I would look like if I go out on a date, if I just like maybe go with myself on a date. I would pretty much wear this with someone, without someone. I feel like treat yourself to a nice look this Valentine's Day, you know, add that little sparkle and, you know, feel good about yourself. I feel like everyone deserves to feel good about themselves this Valentine's Day and every day for that matter. And I hope you have a lovely, 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 lovely Valentine's Day and happy Valentine's month, and treat your partners well, treat yourself well, and have yourself a good one. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.